Well, hold on. All right, this here we have Deuce Quinn in the purple shirt. We have Lil Baby, Yamir, big brother against little brother. Slap contest, part 3.
What about
and
me?
then we ready to go. All right, so y'all ready?
Let's go.
Y'all get out the way right quick. Get out the way.
Get out the way.
Y'all ready? All right, go. Round 1. Oh, you want to keep going, Deuce? You want to keep going? All right, round 2. Oh, he still want to keep going. Oh, round 3. Oh, round 4. Oh, he's still going. Ooh, you don't know if he gonna be able to take that.
Do me.
Let's
go.
Y'all go.
I'm doing it too.
This like round 5 or round 5 or 6.
Round 5.
Round 5.
Come on, y'all.
Move back, McKay. Move back. You messing it up, dude. That's their video. I'm gonna record you. All right, round 6. Damn.
I'm doing it with Casey. Casey go.
All you want to do is Yamir here hard now. He afraid of Yamir.
Come on, yeah.
Oh. All right, that's enough, man. That's enough.